Good morning. We are continuing the lesson. So, the same chapter. Before we have studied the macronutrients, so now we are studying the micronutrient. These are also known as the trace minerals. Trace minerals because they are used in less amount, so that's why less quantity. That's why they are known as the trace minerals or micro minerals. So, the micro minerals are, which are the micro minerals? These are used in little uh, amount. So iron, zinc, iodine, selenium, copper, magnesium, fluoride, chromium, and molybdenum. We will discuss in detail now all these micro minerals. So first is iron. Iron is very common, we know, but this is quite important also. So iron is a part of molecule hemoglobin found in red blood cells that carries oxygen in the body needed for energy production and in metabolism. The sources: organ meats, red meats, fish, poultry, shellfish, especially clam, eggs, yolk, legume, dried fruit, dark leafy green vegetables, iron enriched breads and cereals, and fortified cereals. So source of iron, this is very important for the content of hemoglobin. So lack of the iron cause anemia, which is very common especially in women. Anyone can suffer with the deficiency of iron. So iron we have to take daily according to the need of the body. It is not stored in our body. So whatever the daily recommendation of the iron dosage, we have to take it daily. And there are a lot of common sources of iron which we can include in our food by cooking food, the iron utensils. So the sources are very common for the iron, so we must take sufficient amount of iron in our diet. Zinc, another very important mineral. So this is the part of many enzymes. The enzymes are formed by the zinc, and the zinc is part of many enzymes needed for making protein and genetic material. Zinc has a function in taste perceptions, wound healing, normal fetal development, protection of sperms, normal growth and sexual maturation, and immune system of the body. So this is another very quite important mineral for our body, which is playing a vital role for the body growth and for formation of the enzymes, genetic material, healing of the wounds, and fetal development, and sexual maturation and immune system. So, in a large area, this is playing a big role. The sources of the zinc are meats, fish, poultry, leavened whole grains, and vegetables. Now, copper. Copper is another very important mineral which is part of many enzymes. As I was discussing, that I was telling you that the minerals are playing a big role in our physiology, especially formation of hormones and enzymes. So copper is part of many enzymes needed for iron metabolism. It also affects the absorption and metabolism of iron in our body. Now sources are legumes, nuts and seeds, whole grains, organ meats, drinking water. Now, iodine, another very significant mineral, very important, and which play big role in our biochemical system and physiology. This is found in thyroid hormones, thyroxine, which helps regulate growth, development, and metabolism. And deficiency of the iron causes various metabolic problems, and problem in growth and development. So this is another very important mineral, micromineral. It also stimulate and regulate the secretion of the hormones of thyroid glands, which are responsible. The hormones of thyroid glands are responsible for growth and development and for various metabolic reactions. So sources we can discuss here. Sources of iodine: seafood is very good source of the iodine. Food grown in iodine rich soil. Iodized salt, which is very common. Bread and dairy products. So the source of iodine is very common. We commonly take the iodine from salt used for cooking the food. So we can maintain the amount of iodine in our body. Selenium, another very important mineral, is selenium. Selenium is known as an antioxidant, very good antioxidant. Antioxidant we have discussed as that they help to remove the oxidants from the body, and they helps preventing aging, so it delays aging. This we have discussed in the one of the topic, aging. And it protect skin and remove toxicants from the body. Antioxidants helps to remove toxicants from the body. Sources of the selenium are meat, seafood, and grains. So selenium is one of the only antioxidant in minerals. This is also known as the element antioxidant. Another one we can discuss, that is magnesium. Magnesium is part of many enzymes. This also helps in formation of many enzymes. Sources we can discuss. Sources of the sources, magnesium is found in variety of foods, so widespread in foods, especially plant foods. So magnesium, very less amount of magnesium is needed, and it is easily available in variety of the plant food. Now fluoride. Fluoride involved in formation of bones and teeth, and helps preventing tooth decay. So it prevent our teeth, and it helps in formation of the our teeth and bones. Sources are also very common. This is